how to hide your profile on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can hide people from finding your Facebook profile. So let's dive right in. You need to head over to your Facebook app. Then you need to head over to the three lines in the top left. Now scroll down, go to Settings and Privacy and tap on Settings. Scroll down and under Audience and Visibility, tap on How People Can Find and Contact You. Now scroll down and you can see, do you want search engines outside Facebook to link to your profile? Toggle this off. And this is how you hide your Facebook profile from others. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.